Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to publish a site on Wix. If you want to take your website from private to fully live on the internet, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to publish your site on Wix, step by step, so anyone can access it online. By the end, you'll know how to go from editing your site to making it live with confidence. Start by opening your Wix editor. This is your main workspace where everything on your site is created and customized. In the center, you'll see your page layout, and around it are all the tools you need to edit text, replace images, adjust sections, and fine-tune your design. Take a moment to go through your pages and make sure everything looks exactly how you want it.
As you review your site, think from a visitor's perspective. Make sure your headings are clear, your text is easy to read, and your buttons clearly tell users what action to take. Check all your links to confirm they lead to the correct destinations. If you've added features like galleries, contact forms, or an online store, test them to ensure everything works smoothly. Also, pay attention to spacing and alignment, so your site looks clean and professional from top to bottom. Before going live, use the preview option to see your website the way visitors will. This removes the editor tools and shows the real browsing experience. Also, switch to mobile view, since a large number of visitors will be using their phones. If anything looks off, like text being too small or elements feeling crowded, fix it now for a better user experience. Remember, saving your work does not publish your site. It only stores your changes inside the editor. To actually make your website live, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button.
Once you click Publish, Wix will instantly push your site online and give you a live link. If you've connected a custom domain, your site will appear there. If not, it will be available through a free Wix URL. Either way, your site is now live and accessible to anyone. After your site goes live, open it in a new tab and go through it like a real visitor. Click through your pages, test your navigation menu, and make sure buttons, forms, and links respond properly. Pay attention to how fast pages load and whether images and text display correctly across different sections. If you notice anything that needs fixing, head back into the editor, make your adjustments, and hit Publish again. Wix will immediately update your live site with the latest changes, so you can keep refining and improving your website whenever needed. And that's it. Your Wix website is now live and ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.